All right, having fun here with my kids with this Playbook football has been a joy. It has a really great grippy surface to it. It feels really solid. It's fun because it has the different plays on it as well. So short game, long game, has the yardage even on it there. So it just makes it really fun and versatile to be able to play. This has been a great football to not only be able to play in the field, but just keep in your car for fun things to do with the kids. So it's a great size, easy for the kids to be able to catch, and great for the parents to be able to interact with their kids.
What do you think about this football?
This is a great beginner football. Do you see these plays? They're very good to, like, if you want to run straight, it's number 8.
And how does it feel when you catch and throw this football?
Sometimes if you're doing it too hard and throw it, it'll feel like you're hard. And if you're doing it light, it feels like you're gonna catch it light.
This is a great football, especially for beginners.